Scientific notation is used when you want to write very small numbers or very large numbers. A number is written in scientific notation when it's shown as the product of a factor and a power of 10. So here is our factor and our power of 10. We know this is written in scientific notation because this factor is more than 1, so at least 1, and it is less than 10. And our exponent here, our power of 10, is an integer. So this is written in scientific form. Now, what if we had 0.9 times 10 to the power of 8? Well, we see that this is indeed an integer, but when we look at our factor, this is less than 1, so this is not written in scientific form. What if we wanted to write our scientific notations in standard form? Let's say we have 3 and 22 times 10 to the power of -4. So this is scientific notation, and we want to write this in standard form. What we do is our first thing we do is we move our decimal to the left. Now we move it to the left because I want you to notice that here we have a negative exponent. So the absolute value of -4 is 4, which means we move it 4 places. Now because it is a negative number, we move it to the left. So let's write it here. I'm going to put some placeholder zeros because we know we're going to be moving it to the left, and we're going to move it 4 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I just had enough. And so our answer is this. Okay. Now, what if we had something with a positive? Okay. Now we know that this exponent is positive. The absolute value of 5 is 5, so we're going to be moving it 5 spaces. And because it is positive, we're going to be moving the decimal to the right. So we have our 7.9. I'm going to put a couple of zeros as placeholders, and we're going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, just had enough again. So our answer is 790,000.